Hi everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily claim your Discord PC Nitro without your credit card. So first, just make sure that you head over to discord.com. Then also make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. Then from here in the Discord website, we can easily see and access Nitro. Just click on it. So if we try to click on this subscribe, so I'm going to try and choose this, then click on select. So as you can see, there are other payment types available, not just credit card. You can also pay through PayPal and through GCash. So once you've already decided your payment type, you can just click on it, and from there you can easily claim your Discord Nitro subscription without using credit card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily claim Discord Nitro on your PC without using a credit card. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!